So social engineering is definitely a hot topic in IT, I guess. And what it would be is we live in such a, you mentioned social media, and that is such a huge part of everyone's life now that all this information is out there in the world. So these bad actors can figure out information about your business just by all the public information available. So a bad actor is an external person to your company that is trying to either steal something from you or get you to provide something like finances or gift cards or something. So an example of that is they can, well, a couple different things. They can use it to guess people's passwords because they can look up your Facebook account and they know the name of your kids and where you live and where you grew up and what school you go to and come up with kind of common passwords you might use. Or it could be even more targeted where they can look up on your website who financial controllers are and who their boss might be and try to like impersonate their boss and figure that kind of hierarchy of a business just from all the information that's on your website or LinkedIn or Facebook or whatever it might be.